In this video, I will show you how to start dropshipping on Wix. This is a simple and easy guide for getting started with Wix dropshipping. The first step is to create an account. You can either sign up manually by entering your email address and password, or you can simply connect it using your Google account. Once your Wix account is set up, you'll be ready to move on to selecting the type of site you want to create. Since we are focusing on dropshipping, we need to build or connect a Wix store specifically for that purpose. After creating a website tailored to dropshipping, you'll land on your dashboard, where you can start setting up your store. One of the first things to do is name your store. After entering your store name, click Continue. You'll be asked whether you already have an online store. If not, select that you're just starting. Then, you'll be asked about the type of products you plan to sell. Select Dropshipping and proceed by clicking Continue. Next, you'll choose how you intend to offer your products. Select the option that fits your needs and click Continue again. Once this step is complete, you'll be directed to the main dashboard. From here, you can start setting up important elements like payment methods. For instance, you can link your debit card or PayPal. You can also add various apps or connect other features directly from the Wix dashboard. To ensure your website or store functions well, it's important to fill in all relevant information, especially payment details. Once you've completed those initial settings, you can begin designing or editing your website. For example, if you're selling products, you'll want to customize a template. There are many free templates available. Just use the search feature to find something like a product store or e-commerce template. Once selected, you can begin editing. Assume these are your products that you've saved or downloaded from a dropshipping supplier. You'll now promote these on your Wix website by adding product photos, text, videos, subscribe buttons, and other elements. Use the plus icon to access and add these features. If you want to showcase your products more effectively, consider adding a gallery by importing images directly from your computer or laptop. This is a great way to enhance your business and promote your products visually. You start adding elements like a contact form, so customers can reach out with questions by providing their email and message. You might also want to include links to your social media accounts, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, so customers can contact you easily. Just paste the URLs into the respective fields, so clicking the icons redirects to your social profiles. Now that your product listings are added and your website is beginning to take shape, the next step is integrating a dropshipping app with Wix. This is a crucial part of setting up your store. After signing up, choosing a template, adding store pages, setting up payments, and uploading products, it's time to choose a dropshipping supplier. You can do this by visiting the Wix app market and searching for dropshipping. Once inside the app market, look for a dropshipping service that suits your business. For example, you might choose a service like Doors. Click on it, then add it to your site. After installing the app, you'll need to sign up for that platform, sync your account, and start adding products. Configure your shipping and payment options, and then you'll be ready to launch and market your store. After creating your store, return to the application section to explore more dropshipping suppliers if needed. Continue building your store by adding high-quality products and refining your design to make it appealing and professional. A well-built store increases trust and encourages purchases. When using a supplier, such as Doors, you need to authorize and connect your dropshipping account. Once done, you can browse their product catalog and add items directly to your Wix store. Product descriptions, images, and pricing can all be customized to reflect your brand. Even though the items come from your supplier, your Wix store can present them in a unique and compelling way. Once everything is set, your customers will be able to browse and buy these products directly through your Wix store. Each time someone purchases an item, you earn a profit or commission based on your pricing and agreement with the supplier. To succeed in dropshipping using Wix, it's essential to build a strong, sustainable business. Choose a profitable niche, conduct market research, work with reliable suppliers, and set competitive pricing and margins. Your goal should be to develop a visually appealing and fully functional online store using Wix. Add trending products from dropshipping suppliers, feature them in your store, and promote them effectively. When a customer purchases a product through your store, you earn from that transaction. It's that straightforward. Use Wix to build and grow your dropshipping business. With the right setup, products, and marketing strategy, you can run a successful online store. And that's it. Thank you for watching.